Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. As Zimbabwe marked its 46th Independence Day, religious leader Prophet Advocate Joshua took to social media with a message urging Zimbabweans to focus on personal development over public image. In a Facebook post made on Independence Day, Prophet Joshua wrote, "Happy Independence Day. My small advice on this day is work hard to change your home situation, not to impress friends." Rather than focusing on celebrations or politics, his message emphasized using the spirit of independence to improve one's household and family circumstances. The advice comes at a time when many Zimbabwean families are dealing with high living costs, unemployment, and pressure to maintain appearances. Social commentators often note that Independence Day sparks a debate about the country's progress, not just politically but economically for ordinary citizens. Prophet Joshua's post shifts that debate inward, suggesting that independence should start at home. The phrase "not to impress friends" directly challenges a culture of comparison and social media pressure, encouraging followers to prioritize practical needs over status. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.